We all cook, we all have to eat. It's a known fact. So why not cook and eat a little bit healthier and with a little bit more creativity? This is my review of the Cosori Turbo Blaze 6-litre air fryer. Full disclosure, this was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this review with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the review. So here we go. You can currently see the really high gloss mirror finish of the top of the Cosori air fryer. Now I sort of wish this was a matte finish, but it is gloss for a reason. Firstly, it makes it nice and easy to wipe down and clean. Secondly, we've also got this integrated display and touch panel just here. This is where you're going to do all of your settings. Now before I show you this up and running, I will just run through the box contents and also the fact that you can air fry in this. You can roast, you can grill, you can do frozen foods, you can preheat, you can reheat foods, bake, proof, keep warm and dehydrate, all in this one unit. It's very, very cool indeed. Now inside the box you do get this sticker here with some recommended settings, and you could stick this to the top of the air fryer if you wish. We also get a thank you card with the 2-year warranty. We get a full user manual. We get a really useful recipe book for the Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer, and this all comes in this cardboard envelope. You also get this tray which you can place in the bottom of the air fryer. I'll show you this here. So you push this button and you can open up the really large 6-litre capacity, and this really does accommodate a lot. And you can obviously place this into the bottom here, and then you can pop this back in. I would probably use this for frying maybe chicken, where I want some air and some heat to go underneath the chicken, but you can use it for lots of different things. And then this clips back into place. Now this particular air fryer is available in different countries. This one's got a 3-pin UK plug on it. If you buy it in another country, it should come supplied with a country specific plug attached. You will have to forgive the reflections on this top panel here, but you can see that I've now powered the unit on, and we've got the power button as highlighted, so we can press this to turn on the air fryer. Now this might flicker very slightly on your screens. It is rock steady to the naked eye. It's just the refresh rate on my camera making it flicker a little bit, but basically we've got a display here which shows the current setting for the temperature, also the timer. We can adjust this by simply tapping on the appropriate icon. We've also got fan speed indicated here as well, and then over here we can adjust the time that we're going to be cooking for. We've got a preheat, reheat, dry, bake, proof and warm function. This is highlighted across this middle section here. The main power on off button, and then we can switch between turbo modes as well. So we can choose to air fry, we can choose to roast, we can choose to grill, or we can choose to cook something from frozen. And then to start the program, so once we've got all of our settings done appropriately, maybe we want it 200 degrees at 20 minutes, then we can tap the play icon just here, or the start icon. There is also a pause, so if we start something we want to pause it halfway through, maybe we want to pull that tray out and give everything a little bit of a mix, then we can pause, pull the tray out, push it back in, and then resume the program using this same button. And then when you've done all of your cooking, you can simply touch the power on off button. It really is as simple as that. It's a really intuitive user interface and just so easy to find your way around. Now I've found that this has got so many functions that I haven't tested all of them, but certainly the air frying and the roasting has worked beautifully. This is a stunning piece of kit. If you want to cook a large variety of foods in a nice compact unit that still has a really useful and large 6-litre capacity with so many different variations to the way you're going to cook things, and you're going to be able to cook healthier as well, then the Cosori Turbo Blaze is definitely worth checking out. So I've been really impressed with the Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer. Over the past few weeks, it's been brilliant to use. It's worked flawlessly, and I think it really does lend itself to a place in most people's kitchens. It's just really easy to pop in something and air fry it for that healthy and tasty option. But it's a really versatile cooker as well, because you can do so much more than just air fry fries or chips in it. I really do think it's worth checking out. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.